I'm Stephan. I'm with Katzkin Leather Interiors. I'm here at Jeep Beach 2025. It's a beautiful day. We're here showing a bunch of leather, all of our goods. Mostly what we're showing today is for Jeep Wranglers, Jeep Gladiators. Katzkin Leather has been around since 1983. We're the largest aftermarket leather provider pretty much in North America or the world. And then we are a factory supplier for Jeep and Mopar, anything Mopar related. So this is an example of a new 2025 Rubicon seat. It has a raspberry suede with some perforated barracuda is what we call it. The color kind of feeds through the leather. It's perforated in the center. It has the wings on here and a contrast stitch. We only use top grain leather, which is the best part of the cow. It's the very top of the surface. It's not like split hide. Split hide is more of something that you would see on belts or shoes, but it's the softest leather available for the automotive aftermarket. We can actually reproduce any of the Jeep logos or any Mopar logo because we're a Mopar factory. Our product is engineered to meet all of the standards that are required by the OEMs. It's not a slip cover. You remove the cloth or leather and you replace it with Katzkin leather cover. All of the seams are engineered to accommodate airbags. We go through a litany of testing with the OEMs to make sure that our product doesn't hinder the operation of the safety systems. We currently have about 3,800 different patterns for about 3,800 different vehicles from probably the mid-90s. With the colors, choices, selections that we offer, each pattern we could probably, somewhere in the neighborhood, we mathematically figured out about 2.8 million different ways we can build a seat. You add logos, it's infinite. We could put a different interior in every one of these Jeeps. Not one would be the same. Over here, we can show another Wrangler seat, and we've got a version of what we call ElectraTech. It's a tech stitch. We create multiple different designs. We can do diamonds. We can do hex tech. We could actually perforate your grandma's face in there if you wanted to. So the sky is really, truly the limit. Anything that you want in your Jeep or in any vehicle out there, we can produce it. We also carry heated seats that we can add if you didn't get it from the factory. And then we also have a system called Degrees. If you want air conditioned and cooled seats and it's not ventilated, it just doesn't blow ambient temperature air. It's actually true cold air. We can add that to any seat. The difference is it would have to be perforated, obviously, to allow the airflow to go through. And if you're interested in more, you can go to katzkin.com. It's Katzkin.com. And have a great day. And thanks for coming by the show.